Well, it is very important to plan the day and a destination that I have to reach to make sure that, one, from a safety perspective, two, from a comfort perspective. Let's all face it, in case we are trying to do a 7+ day or a 15+ day ride, it is important that, we sustain our energy levels the same thing as day one. Your day 1 and day 15 should match, and it's very important that you get a sound sleep of a minimum of 6 good hours, which is very important, and a good bed. Now, there are people who camp. They also enjoy the luxury of nature. They do carry the right amount of mattress and pitch a tent and sleep. But sleep, yes, a destination for me is really, really important, for the simple reason that I need a bed that can really rejuvenate me for the next day. So destination, yes, I have a plan in place.